Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make raining tacos in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and start a new base plate. Next, insert a simple part into your workspace. This part will be our taco spawner. Make sure to place it high above your game world. Rename this part to Taco Spawner so it's easy to find later. This initial setup is crucial for our raining effect. Now, let's create our taco. You can build a simple taco shape using several parts, like a shell and some fillings. Once your taco looks good, group all its individual parts into one model. Name this new model Taco. Place your taco model inside the taco spawner part. Remember to set the can collide property of your taco model to false so it doesn't block other objects. Next, we'll add the magic script. Insert a new script object directly into your taco spawner part. This script will handle the continuous spawning. Inside the script, write code to repeatedly clone your taco model. Each cloned taco should be positioned at the taco spawner's location. Finally, apply a downward velocity to each new taco, making it fall realistically. To make your taco rain perfect, you can customize a few things. Adjust the wait time in your script to control how fast or slow the tacos fall. You can also randomize the rotation of each spawned taco for a more natural, less uniform look. Consider adding a destroy function for tacos that hit the ground, preventing performance issues. Feel free to experiment with different taco sizes and colors too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.